Good morning, team. So today we'll see what is QA sign off. Okay, so QA sign off means we'll see the definition. That is, it is a test team or testing team or quality assurance team. In this instance, method for formally declaring the completion of testing means we are going to say we are going to send an email saying that we have we testing team has completed testing, or we test, or we team, or you can say we. Okay, we completed have completed the testing for specific or any QA or or dev or UAT environment. Okay, we'll see how do you send the mail. Okay, what that mail should contain. Okay, so if someone asks you, okay, Prashant, you send me the QA sign of mail. Okay, it depends on the process or the company to whom you need to send. Okay, we'll see how it the format looks like. Okay, so type type means issue type, whether it is a story. If you are following Agile, then that will be a user story. Okay, user story. Again, that could be user story. Right. Okay, bug enhancement, or bug again, bug. Okay, so key means in Jira, for each user story and bug we have identifier, right? So we'll see SB on to or SB 45 or SB 66, SB 46, 45, SB 44. Okay, sorry, 42. Again SB 77, SB. Okay, like this, these are the keys what each user story or bug is having. Okay, these are the IDs uh, generated by the Jira. Okay, 88. Okay, summary is the description of each user story or bug. Okay, for example, login credential means fund per issue, sending money. Okay, priority, that could be I mean how what is the priority of each story and bug. Okay, high, medium, low, high, high, etc. Okay, so status is all should be done. Depends whether it is going to fix in I mean most of the time we do the done only, because then only we can give the sign off. Okay, okay, so now this is will take only till here. Okay. Mm, okay, fine. So this is a highlighted one. Okay, so now we need to send the mail along with this chart. All right, so again I'll copy paste this one. It doesn't looks nice. Okay, this is medium. Okay, so now I'll send the mail. Okay, so this is john@gmail.com. Right, so subject is QA QA sign off. Okay, or you can write the sprint name also for sprint 25, right? So here you can mention the team or manager name or team. Okay, I'm mentioning here I mean what is here manager here. Hi, hello, Night. Otherwise you can go for hi John, right? Okay, before this I need to write something that is I copy pasted here. That is you can write in this way. Hi John, kindly consider this as a QA sign off for Sprint 25 fund transfer page. Means this, I mean, for which page or which module you have prepared this sprint. Okay, that is necessary. That's not at all necessary. If you want, you can mention. Otherwise, Sprint 25, Sprint 20, whatever the sprint main sprint name is, that is enough. So below is a list of ticket covered in this sprint, right? So you can write, right? So you are saying here that, hi John, kindly consider this as a QA sign off for Sprint 25, that is fund transfer page. Or you can say below is the list of tickets covered in this sprint. Means these are the tickets we are covered in this uh, sprint. So these are type, keys, and summary, priority, and status. Even if you miss, I mean, if you skip this, that is also fine, no problem. But this is, it depends on the company or the team which methods they are following. You can lastly you can say go for this. Okay, sorry. Thanks. Okay, so that is okay. So now I take it from here. Control C, Control V. Okay. So now this is your email. We need to send to the. I mean, you can keep CC in the. I mean, CC. I mean, team as a CC. Okay. So this is all about QA sign off mail you're sending after the I mean testing is done for a particular sprint on that particular environment. Okay, got it? Yeah. Thank you.